Hey, it's Noe with WTI, and if you've been on a hunt for a pair of quality earbuds that won't break the bank, then you're gonna wanna check out this pair from JLab. I was looking for a pair of earbuds that would not fall out when I was working out or walking or even jogging. And also, I wanted something with a high battery life. Well, this pair from JLab did not disappoint. Something I really appreciated about this pair is that it came with 3 different gel tips. So depending on the ear size, you're bound to find a fit that's comfortable for you. I found that these were very easy to put on, and as long as you make sure it wraps around your ear, you're sure to get a comfortable fit. I think it's great that it comes with an app that you can download on your phone that really allows you to personalize your preferences. The charger is awesome because you never have to look for one. I love that it's attached to the case itself, which makes it very easy for me to charge at home. And when I say that this is a long-lasting battery, it really is. Once I charged it up the first time, I went on several walks and jogs and workouts before I had to recharge it. These earbuds were exactly what I wanted and needed, and I definitely feel like they're gonna last me a long time. So if you're looking for an awesome companion to take with you on the go, then I would highly recommend this pair from JLab. And that's my point of view.